Yo guys, what a door. Welcome to Two Side Studio. It is what it is. Yeah, Bafana coach Cross has announced his 23-man squad that's gonna face Botswana and Sierra Leone. So you all know that every time there's a squad selection, there's debate going around because our favorite players were not selected. Players who are on form are not selected. Players who are not performing are selected. You know, all those things that are happening when the Bafana squad is selected. So every time it's happening. So but today I want us to indulge on this one of Themba Zwane being back on the squad. Themba Zwane has been selected back to Bafana. When I say back, because the last time the coach said he will never select Themba Zwane. Not only Themba Zwane and Andile, Jali, a couple of players, because those players were old. That's what he said. He will never select old players because he's playing for the future. So it's surprising now that Themba Zwane is back in the team. So yeah, you know, most journalists, the journalists ask him, why is selecting back Themba Zwane? His answer was, the wise man do change his mind. You know? How crazy is it? So yeah, I do agree with that. A wise man do change his mind. So my concern is, I don't know if it's a genuine selection or it's just to shut down the media, because the media always ask him, why don't you select Themba Zwane and Jali, a couple of players? So I think this time around he decided, you know what, let me just select Themba Zwane for the sake of peace. So I don't know if it's a genuine selection or it's just, yeah, I don't know. So let's see the future, what's gonna happen going forward. Maybe Andile is also gonna be included in the coming matches. So maybe Themba Zwane is the start of selecting all players. So subscribe, like, comment. Let's debate this topic on comment section. Tell me what you think about Zwane being back on the squad. Otherwise, much love.